Actually, dito sa Holland, sa Netherlands, bike is life. Mas marami nakikitang mga nagbabike kaysa sa Belgium. Train station. What? There, the brunch. Where?
We go for a walk first and then we come back
Okay.
to eat then.
Okay. No problem. Morning, everybody. Super sunny. Dito tayo sa Eindhoven
Well, yeah.
at planning to do
We are
touring
we go
around
first for
all the streets
we
here.
take 45 minutes.
Kailangan nating i-document again. Kasi hindi ako nakakapagsalita gawa ng wala yung aking anak. So ngayon wala siya. Kaya pwede tayong mag-vlog ngayon. Kasi ayaw niya nang nagbablog ako pagka nandyan siya. It's Sunday, there's no restaurants and shops.
No, the restaurants will be open. But remember, we went to lunch before, right?
Yeah.
So that was in a restaurant, right? So the restaurants are open, but the shops are not.
But here it's the shop and the restaurants are open.
Below, this side is below.
When is the 35 degrees? May KFC oh.
Tomorrow, well, maybe tomorrow we go to. We should go up. We should go to the north.
Should go to Germany.
No, to the north. To where it's a bit cooler than the south.
Shopping street. Shop. Open ang shop sa Sunday diba? Mas ganda pala dito sa Holland. Open ang mga shop. Nasa shopping street kami. Ang ganda ng mga gamit. Kaya gusto kong bumibili ng mga damit na para pagka pumunta ka kung saan ka nakatira. Iba damit mo. Wala kang katulad, di ba? May mga barbero. Naghahanap kami ng laundry area.
Laundry area.
Laundry shop. Kung saan pwedeng maglaba ang aking anak. Pero parang ang layo Pumunta tayo dito sa sa Chic Street. Sa Chica Street. De Kleineberg. Dito yung mga maraming mga social na Ito. Sa gabi dyan, makikita nyo yung mga social. Mga tutyal. Ngayon makikita nyo na. Ayan. Kita nyo na. Ang init.
Clothes. Might change here.
Nandito pa rin kami.
She has enough clothes to the first.
Ang init sa mundo.
That's more than 2 weeks of clothes. Let's see.
Nahanap na rin namin. Layo. Nahanap na rin namin ng kung saan pwede mag-laundry. Yan. Actually, dito sa Holland, sa Netherlands, bike is life. Mas marami nakikitang mga nagbabike kaysa sa Belgium. Kahit saang sulok dito sa Netherlands, maraming bisikleta. At maybe here.
And like something and not something. Two
Old people. One is
filming,
filming.
and the other one is holding the vitamin C of his wife. Is that what you're going to say?
America today. So good. Tapos na kami mamasyal. Naka 7 kilometer na naman ako. So, ito ang Eindhoven City. That's Eindhoven City. Para matandaan natin kung anong pinantahan natin.
Let's go over to the right.
Umiiwas sa init.